The IONTRAVEL 110v Handheld Welder Kit is a lightweight and portable welding solution, weighing just over 3 pounds, making it easy to transport and ideal for various environments. This welder supports multiple rod sizes from 3/32 to 1/8 of an inch, providing versatility for different welding needs. With its adjustable current feature ranging from 20 to 120 amperes, users can easily control and stabilize the output for smoother and more efficient welding. Safety is a priority, with built-in overheating protection and advanced cooling technology, ensuring the welder operates safely and reliably over extended periods. The welder utilizes state-of-the-art IGBT inverter technology, enhancing its performance and reducing material damage, resulting in cleaner and more stable welds. A comprehensive package including a mask, steel brush, and tool bag, along with a 6-month warranty, ensures that buyers have everything they need for a great welding experience.